Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to uninstall dynamic wallpaper on lock screen changing automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First, lock your screen, and for each press, you will have different wallpaper if you have such dynamic wallpaper already. So if you would like to remove dynamic wallpaper and uninstall dynamic wallpaper, what you have to do? Here, learn. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Settings is available here. Then go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpaper, and here go to wallpaper services. Click here and click on these three vertical dots here, or go to dynamic lock screen here. Click on this settings icon, then go to these three vertical dots and then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall, and the selected items will be now uninstalled. Select the items to be removed. Okay, click on uninstall here and uninstalling the selected items. Now uninstalled. Now check in the lock screen. There is no such wallpaper. Dynamic wallpaper has been uninstalled. Okay, if you want to change to other categories, yes, you can do it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.